Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Anjaneya Puli. In this video, we will going to see how to solve the over allocation of resources by using manual method. For that, concentrate on the screen till the end of the video. For manual method, I am using the same assignment as project number 01. Previous video, I have labeled the over allocation by using automatic leveling. Now, I want to clear the leveling so that I can go for manual leveling. To clear the leveling, go to the resource tab. Under level group, click on clear leveling. When you click on clear leveling, it asks to clear the entire project or the selected task. Click on entire project. Now click on OK. When you click on OK button, you will see the changes here, and also you will see the red color in front of the ID name of the task. Now click on OK. Now here you will see the 3 activities are starting on a same day, and also you will see the resources are over allocated for these 3 tasks. And the same you can see under resource sheet, the labor is in red color, and if you place a cursor here, it shows the resource is over allocated. Under resource graph, you will see the red mark indicates that these resources are over allocated. In the manual method, I have to make sure that the project has to complete on a specified date. In this manual method, I have to increase the number of resources on a over allocated day. Before increasing the resources, let me check the cost of this project. The cost of this project is 14,000 and the duration of this project is 10 days. So I have to make sure these 2 parameters are unchanged. Here, increasing the resources means I am not increasing the total number of resources required to task. I am increasing the availability of resources on a particular day. So let's see how to label the resources manually. For that, let me open resource graph. Here the cost is already calculated on the basis of the resources that I have assigned to particular task. So I am not increasing these numbers. I am increasing the availability because I have total number of resources 4, but I need on these 2 days 6 number of resources. That means I have to increase the availability on these 2 days. So here up to 2nd Jan, I no need to change the resources. From 3rd and 4th Jan, I have to make 6 number of resources available, and after 5th, again I no need to change the resource availability. Here in this case, I have to only change the number of resources on 3rd and 4th. For that, go to the resource and then go to the resource information. When you click on resource information, you will see the information related to this resource. Here you will see the resource name is labor. Here you will see the resource availability is 4 units. So let me change this one. Let me change the date. January 2nd. So up to January 2nd, I no need to change. From 3rd January to 4th January, I need 6 number of resources. And from 5th January to NA, that is 4. NA means continuation. Now click on OK. Now you will see the red mark has gone. That means here I have increased the availability of resources. Also you can see the changes under resource sheet. Here you will see the red color has gone. And also you can go to the task and Gantt chart. Here also the red color symbol has gone. This means the over allocation of labor is resolved. And you will see the duration and as well as cost of the project is same as 14,000. So this is all about manual leveling in MS Project User Interface. The assignment for this video is open project number 1 and uncheck the clear leveling option. Again do the manual leveling in MS Project User Interface. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.